Hi friends in PopMax and NIVEX. In this video, I want to show you how to withdraw your POP token that you have used your PUSD in PopMax to purchase in NIVEX. So let me show you how to do it with the little POP that I have in this account, right? So once you log in into your NIVEX account, you click on discover. The discover button is just below your total assets. Okay, so I'm going to click on discover here, and then it's going to take me into the section for us to select the pop hash power. So you select pop hash power, and then you click enter app, and then here, once the page is loaded, you will see your total pop that you have already mined. Okay, so what you then do is you click claim. Okay, click claim. You will claim all your total pending pop. I have already done my claiming, and once you finish your claiming, you will notice that your pending withdrawal of pop will be sitting there. So the next thing you then do is you click on withdraw. Okay, and then once you click withdraw, it's going to ask you how many pop do you want to withdraw. Okay, so you select all if you want to select, if you want to withdraw everything, and then you click confirm withdrawal, and then you just complete this puzzle, and then it's now confirming the withdrawal. I need to tell you withdrawal successful. Once you confirm that the withdrawal has gone through, what you then need to do is to go back to your main wallet. Okay, so you're going to click back and back and back again, and then boom, you will see your money sitting there. So once you are here, you click on the bottom right assets, and then you go into your spot wallet, and then you will see your pop. So you can see that your pop, 32 pop, is equivalent to $35. Yeah, so once you confirm that your pop is there in your spot wallet, you click back, go back again, and then go into market because you want to swap your pop for USDT. Okay, so what you then do is once you are here on the market, okay, so make sure you select the market tab, and then you go to spots. Okay, so you are going to be trading on spots, and then you select BTC, and then you change here to pop. Pop slash USDT. Once you type pop slash USDT, you select all, you will see pop against USDT because that is what you want to trade. Okay, so you click that, and then you click sell pop. This will pop up to say you have to read and understand blah blah blah. Just select it, and then click confirm. And then once you're here, what you then do is you want to sell your pop. So you have to enter the amount of pop you want to sell. Okay, so yeah, where it says fill amount, go in there, click in there, and type 32 pop because that's what you want to sell, right? Because it will tell you how much pop you have here, 32.8. So you can type 32.8. Okay, and then click done, and then click sell pop, and then it said order is placed. So once the order has been placed, you know that you've completed that section. So what you then do is you go back into your assets, okay, and then go back into your spots. So you will notice that you have USDT now. This is how to do it. Now you have your USDT. You've converted your pop token to USDT through the marketplace within NIVEX. So what you then do is you want to withdraw your USDT. You tap on your USDT, and then at the bottom here, you will see your withdrawal button. Click on withdrawal button, and then it's going to ask you which option you want to transfer it to, you want to withdraw it to. So select on-chain withdrawal, click confirm, and then it's going to ask you which network do you want to send it to. I will prefer to send it via TRC20 because I have my Kraken USDT TRC20 copied already. Okay, so I'm going to click that, and then here it's going to ask me to enter my address. So I'm going to long press here and paste my address. Okay, so this is my Kraken USDT TRC20 wallet address, and I'm going to click all, and I'm going to click confirm, and I'm going to click withdraw, and then it's going to ask you to enter your Google Authenticator and the email verification code that they've sent to your registered email. Now, remember, you need to have, access to your email that you use to register in NIVEX. Otherwise, you are going to run into problem of withdrawing your funds. Okay, so I'm going to click email verification first, and I'm going to click get code. Okay, and then you go to your email to fetch the code. Okay, so now I'll enter my verification code that has been sent to my email, and then click confirm. So that is done, and I will now do my authenticator, and I'm going to go and get my authenticator code. So I will now paste my authenticator code. Right here, it's going to ask you to enter your payment password. This payment password is 6-digit number that you have used to set it up when you registered for your NIVEX. So enter that password there to complete the process. And then once I enter my payment verification code and click confirm, you will see withdrawal successful. Okay, and then I will now click to view, and you will see that the money is gone, and they say that it is in progress. So guys, so in less than 3 minutes, I got an email to say the deposit has been made into my Kraken account. And as you can see from here, this is the date, this is the time. It's not just up to 5 minutes that I made this withdrawal, and you can see the total amount of the USDT that came into my Kraken account. Okay, and this is possible through NIVEX. So guys, this is it. Now you know that withdrawal of your POP token in NIVEX works when you follow the instructions and the steps in this video. So this is how to claim your POP token in NIVEX, right? So this is it. Thank you very much, and I will see you in my next video.